So here we are in day 2 of PC Building Simulator 2. Good morning! Hope you slept well, we have a busy day ahead. You accepted the job yesterday and the customer's PC has arrived. It needs to be painted red, so take it to the workbench and let's get spraying! Right, where is it? Aha! It's here. Let's go up to it. So this is for Casante. Right click to pick up the PC. And we need to spray it red without breaking it. So where can we spray it safely? Do we have a spray desk? Change your workbench type. For this job, you'll need to change and refit the workbench ready for case customization. Highlight the workbench and press B to change its type. Okay. Do we do that before we put it down? B? B? Aha! Workbench type. Select case modding to refit the workbench. So we've got case modding. Oh! And we've put it down. Yeah! Left click. Case modding. The customer requested that the entire case be painted red. Select the spray can to start painting. Alright. Paint the case red. We're 0% done. Is this red? Oh, nozzle size. Let's make it big nozzle. Is that big enough? Yeah. Customer wants their PC painted red. Left click on one of the shades to select it. Let's go for just traditional red. Customer wants the glass sprayed too, so toggle this switch on. Oh, okay. Spray the case. Hold left click to spray the paint. Cover both sides, the front and the top. Let's go. Alright. This is going okay, I think. We're 3% done. What a waste of the glass on the machine, but what the customer wants, the customer shall get. Now, if you've ever wanted to watch paint dry, but you've not done it before, today's video is the treat that you wanted. What better to sit back and literally watch paint dry? We are 20%, so a fifth of the way through the case. I feel like it's a little bug because sometimes it like drops down a percent. How can any of it be unpainted? I think we're doing pretty good here, to be honest. Maybe we're going to make the nozzle even bigger, you know. You can't have too big a nozzle. Feel like we might redecorate the workshop at this rate, but... Sure, I think we missed a bit there. That looks better. So let's turn it around. So in case customization mode, it turns the case around rather than you, which is helpful. It's not satisfied that we've coloured this enough, so we're going to go over it one more time. You can see little bits there, but I think they're being really picky now. It's like with the thermal paste, they want it absolutely perfect, don't they? Oh, you can... No, we can't get it on that side. It's counting that as the front, I think. It's hard to tell if I missed a bit, or I'm just looking at a dirty screen now, but... I'm pretty sure that's done now. That's red. That is red. Let's see if we can do the front. Aha. Maybe it wanted us to do the front first. I'm surprised this isn't going all over the walls. Trying not to spray it into the ports because they won't work that well. Look at that. It's amazing. We're spraying over it and it's not covered. That logo on the bottom. Genius. Right. Time for this side. Definitely go for the big nozzle on this because it just makes your life a whole lot easier. Select the biggest nozzle size. I was worried that it would spray on things like the glass that it shouldn't do, but they want the glass painting as well. So why not? We don't even appear to be repainting the wall here. Must be a special feature of the desk. Spin it round to the back. We'll do the back. No, we'll do the top first then. Oh, no. We don't do the back, haha, because that wouldn't be good for it. I know, we don't want to get paint in the ports. Paint in the ports would be very bad. Look at this, we're at 99%. 100%. Yeah! Nice work, all the sides are red and the job is complete. Now take the PC back to the delivery area and go to the customer's email to collect your payments. Why is the paint going down? Oh, no, it's at 100%. That's a definite bug they've got there. Oh, how can the case be unpainting itself? Proud of this. Let's take this through to the delivery area. They are going to be chuffed with this. I know. Drop it there, package it. Casante is not going to know what has hit them when they open that. Email. Paint it red. Paint the case red. Come and collect it. Yeah, $120 profit. We finally breached the 1,000 mark. Fantastic. Delivery received. Left click on the box in the hallway to unpack your delivery. The contents will be added to your inventory. This must be the delivery that Uncle Tim was telling us about. I don't know whether he sent a follow-up email, but let's see what it is. What is it? Deliveries are over here. Ooh, fragile. This is exciting. A tablet from Uncle Tim. A tablet that will assist you in managing your business. You can read emails, shop, run apps, etc. all while on the move. Thanks, Tim. A present from Uncle Tim. Uncle Tim has sent you a brand new tablet to help run the business. Let's take a look and see what it does. Oh, look at that. How do I open the tablet? T to open the tablet. Your new tablet. Your new tablet is now ready to use. It's packed with apps, has a snazzy camera, and can be used on the move to manage your time more effectively. If you're not sure where to start, check out the pre-installed Decorator app. Well, that sounds interesting. Decorator. Welcome to the Decorator app. Big Bob has agreed to redecorate your workshop for free. You can change the floor, ceilings, walls, posters, desks, and many other features. Let's see what's available. Yeah. Scanning. Well, how about we go with futuristic clean? Ooh. Yeah. Let's do that. Wall detected. Let's go with space on the wall, eh? Ooh. This is looking like a starship. Look at that! Oh, wait, can I still move with the tablet? I mean, that should actually be a thing. Look at this, it looks like the Enterprise. Oh, I'm so excited. I found this feels like the most exciting part of the game. Now I just need to be able to get through the door. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Cool. Right. Let's put it down. Let's put it down. T to put the tablet down. Let's go back to real life. Look at this. Oh, this looks so much better. Awesome. We got anything else to do today? Click on this. We've got some emails. Leveled up. Congratulations, you reached level 2. You've unlocked 6th gen Intel Core process, Ryzen quad-core CPUs, 2666 MHz of RAM, Auto Connect tool. These components are available in the shop now. Lovely. Well done and keep PC building. PC Builder Simulator 2 team. PS, the next milestone, level 3 unlocks A320 chipset motherboards. This is crazy. Broken Cooler. I am so super stoked to see a new repair shop in town. Totally sucks what happened to the last one. I hope they catch the guy who did it. He's on holiday at the moment. Anyway, the air cooler in my computer is busted and the whole thing is really uncool. Like literally uncool. I can feel the heat coming off it. Can you replace it for me? Hope you can help. Brody. $178 for labour, $50 part budget. We are going to accept that job. Buying components. Some jobs require new components. Let's order a new air cooler for this customer's PC. Right on it. Let's exit the app. Open the shop. And go to CPU cooling. Each category has filters which help when searching for parts. Left click, add to basket. Well, both of those. Oh yeah, we need a backplate as well. Okay. Task tracker. The task tracker allows you to allocate parts to specific jobs. This window can be brought up by interacting with the link icon in the checkout, delivery section, or inventory. What link? Oh, that looks like a link. Yeah. We'll allocate it to that job and confirm. Ah, yeah, add to cart and assign to job. Yeah. Checkout, $10. Left click to complete the order. Next day, free delivery. We love free delivery. New parts. Well done. You've ordered a new part. You can use the calendar to check when any new parts will arrive and find them in the box in the hallway once they're here. Yeah. Thank you for ordering from Bits and PCs. I love what you've done with the name. Continue. So we're going to close the shop, Bits and PCs. I love it. So, we exit that. I feel like if we've got no new emails. We'll just give it one check before we leave for the day. 0 more emails. An awesome new design. Look at this awesomeness. Woohoo! Although it does block the view a bit. I kind of want to remove those bits off the window if possible, Big Bob. But that literally looks like it's us for day 2. So day 2 is a bit of a short one. Look at this. This is awesome. This is so geeky. I love it. Safety panel in case we need an emergency exit. Left click to exit the calendar, so we've got the new job coming in tomorrow and delivery of the Mortoni Thermal 100. That's it for today. Stay tuned for day 3 of PC Building Simulator 2 Open Beta. Ciao for now.